Hello. So for this project, we're basically working on this homepage for this digital design company, which also offer development services. So I already started working on this and created the header, and the client really liked it. So let's continue with this style and this font, which is Montserrat, which is a free Google font. So yeah, as we look at the brief, you're going to see that the content of the website is divided in sections. So section 1, for example, is logo, the heading, and the call to action, just as you see it over here. So logo, heading, and call to action. And as we go down, we're going to have this section, which is basically a heading, and their services. So the main headline services with their services. You can add some icons for these Google material icons or other ones that you feel like it's okay. Then there's development stack, and please use the icons of JavaScript, Ethereum, Python, and so on. Solutions, that's another section, and yeah, pretty much same style as the one above. And here we have the call to action, which is going to be likely a button. Then section 3, here is basically headline, and on the very bottom you're going to see the persons. So Sam Corso is the managing partner, and here's some details about him, and please use some pictures of the person itself here, and yeah, just do the same for all the other three persons, and as usual, call to action below. So section 4, this one is another headline, and this section 4 is very important because these are past clients that I worked for. So please use the logos of these clients, find them on Google, and here is like a brief case study of what they did for them. So these are going to be all their past clients, and this portfolio section must look pretty sleek, since their clients are mainly going to be corporate and enterprise clients, so it's very important. And here, call to action as always. Section 5 is the final one, just a lot of inputs like first name, last name, email, and so on. And you fill up this form. Here's going to be like a checkbox, so you check 1, 2, 3, or the other ones, and then final call to action, and just include a footer. For this project, I used this website UI kit, which is really good. It's the creation one, and I would suggest you to use it because many of these elements you're going to find over there, and you're just going to save a bunch of time. So yeah, this is basically it. Here's the Dropbox link, and yeah, that's it. If you have any other questions, just let me know, and I'll get back to you.